Meet Bitsy. She loves toys. But what if there was a super rare toy all kittens wanted? This special toy is Bitcoin, a rare digital toy kittens trade online. Why is it valuable? There's only so many. Just like Bitcoin, only 21 million exist. Kittens can mine Bitcoin by solving puzzles, like chasing a mouse. Hot wallets are like a basket nearby, easy to access for everyday play. Cold wallets are secret treasure chests, perfect for keeping rare mice safe. The value of Bitcoin can go up and down, just like kittens' moods. Kittens trade mice with each other. Online, Bitcoin works the same way. Always keep your rare mice safe. Don't let other kittens swipe them. Play smart, collect wisely, and watch your Bitcoin grow in value. Bitcoin is just like rare mice, exciting, limited, and full of fun. Be sure to like and subscribe to see Bitsy's next adventure. Kittens know best.